itong ikaapat ko is yung crowd factor. Pare, yung crowd factor na yun, number 6 man nila yan. Even when you're down talagang sad-sad na sila, yung momentum and all, basta yung crowd tumayo, nagrally, hindi ka nakasabay. Todas ka sa Ginebra. And also, ito nga, yung getting there, papaano pumunta ron, yung Ginebra, they know how to win. They know what it takes to win. Alam nila kung may mababa nilalaro, sinong aalalayan, sinong hot kumakamada, hinahanap nila. And galing na sila, they've been there, done that. So, nasa kanila na lahat eh. So, sa akin, kaya nila. They have all the tools, they have all the equipment, they have all the walang kompleto sa Ricardo Ginebra.
Yun. Swak na swak, pare. Talagang naipaliwanag mo ng mga bonggang-bongga.
This time, malakas.
Oo nga.